Don't listen to him, everyone. He's being paid by Funfair.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the cave, my beautiful villa that I bought with Bitcoin. And today, unfortunately, we have a pretty upsetting discussion that we have to talk about, and that is Bitconnect. So if you didn't know what Bitconnect is, or I should say was, Bitconnect was a place that you would basically invest your coins, and Bitconnect would give you a guaranteed amount of daily interest, they said. Something like 1% interest daily guaranteed. So imagine if you put, and that's compound interest. So imagine if you put something like $1,000, in 5 years or something, that'd be worth possibly millions of dollars because it's compound interest. And so basically you should know that anything that says guaranteed interest or guaranteed returns is a scam. It's going to be a scam. When Bitconnect was at its most popular, Bitcoin could rise 10% a day. So first of all, I don't know why people would have put their money in Bitconnect, but they did, and Bitconnect performed an exit scam. So they said, oh, we've been getting lawsuits and law problems, which is true. They had problems in Texas and North Carolina. They received the cease and desist letters from the regulators to stop their services, and they said they were getting DDoS attacked, which, that's probably not true. But either way, they said they would stop their services, their Bitconnect services, their investing, and their coin plummeted something like 90%. They were within, I think, the top 25, maybe top 50 coins, so $2.6 billion, just basically worthless now. The way the coin would work is you would invest your Bitcoin, and they would pay you their shares in Bitconnect. So they really try to tie Bitcoin and Bitconnect's value together. The other interesting thing about Bitconnect is that they say that they still plan to continue with their ICO. So, it was an exit scam, but they're still trying to maintain face and say, hey, yeah, we're still going to hang around, we're still going to try to come back. But, it's not true. It's a scam, it's a Ponzi scam, it was a Ponzi scheme from the beginning. So now they don't exist. And so what we need to learn from that is you need to be careful with where you put your money. Obviously, a lot of people lost a lot of money. You see people online thinking about committing suicide because of how much money they had in it. Just anything that, of course, says guaranteed returns is going to be probably a scam. So you'll see things now pop up. I think ETHConnect and RippleConnect, those are things that exist where they do essentially the same thing. They guarantee you 1% returns daily. And be careful about that, and be careful where you put your money, and be careful what you're buying, because crypto is a land of great possibility and great wealth you can get from it, but it's also very dangerous. So high risk, high reward kind of thing. And don't think just because you're invested in Funfair or you're invested in whatever that you're safe. Any coin can be a scam. Right now the entire crypto market is just based on promises and white papers. So be careful, do your research, and stay safe out there.